Hi there, I'm Kelly from Urban Coast Tile, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to something truly special, the Savannah collection. Our Savannah porcelain tile collection comes in a versatile 3x8 size and boasts 5 beautiful natural colors. But what sets it apart is the three-dimensional deco available in every shade. Take a closer look and you'll notice these subtle clay-colored touches, giving the tiles a unique handmade charm. It's a nod to the traditional craftsmanship that inspired this series. And here's something that adds character: the edges. A very subtle unevenness for that handmade, time-worn appearance. It's these little details that make the Savannah collection stand out. But wait, there's more. The Savannah 3D tile takes decoration to a whole new level. With grooves of varying width and depth, it creates a visually striking dimensional look. Plus, there's an alternating sections of glossy and matte glazes, adding depth and sophistication. The Savannah collection seamlessly complements our other Urban Coast collections. It's a perfect match for compositions in a sophisticated contemporary taste. So whether you're designing a cozy home or a trendy office space, the Savannah collection is here to elevate your style. Urban Coast Tile, where timeless craftsmanship meets contemporary design.